There are three kinds of locking drawer slide, and they are different from load capacity. The left one is the heaviest one. The load capacity can be 227 kilogram, and it's non-disconnect one. The right side, the both right one are disconnect one, and the load capacity, the middle one can be 150 kilogram load capacity, and this can be 58 load capacity, and these two kinds are disconnect one, which means you can disconnect the inner section from the middle. Yes, you can use this locking pin and press the pin, and you can disconnect the one. So it's easy to install and easy to adjust.